This 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features a BRYNLEE interior, sleeps 6, skylight, smoke detector, water heater, slide-out, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, spare tire kit, LP detector, external shower, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, Murphy bed. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 17 MKE is 4,886 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.